Yawning cools your brain. When you yawn, the deep inhalation brings in cool air, and stretching your jaw increases blood flow to your skull. It acts like a radiator for your brain. Your brain temperature rises when you are tired, stressed, or bored, exactly when you yawn most. The contagious yawn is linked to empathy. People who are more empathetic yawn more when they see someone yawn. Young children under 4 do not catch yawns. People with certain conditions also do not. Your brain is testing if other people are alert enough to notice threats. Dogs even catch yawns from their owners.